All right, welcome back. Wholesale real estate for beginners. Why 90% fail and how to avoid it. Wholesale real estate is the art and science of finding deeply discounted properties, locking them up with a sales contract to create what we call equitable interest, and assigning that interest to an end buyer in exchange for an assignment fee, usually $10,000 or more. And it's simple. It's a simple concept, but powerful in execution. You're not buying houses. You're not. You're simply controlling opportunities and connecting value. All right. So, and yet 90% of beginners, they fail, as simple as that is, right? So not because the business doesn't work, but because of how they approach it. The number one reason, the number one reason why they fail, they overestimate what they can do in 1 month, and they underestimate what they can do in 1 year or even 5 years. It's all a mindset. It's all a mindset, I promise you. Now, most people come in hot, excited. They watch a few videos, they get excited, think they'll make $10,000 by next Friday. And when that doesn't happen, they start doubting the process. The truth is, this business works every single time for those who give it enough time to work. Okay. So now think about it this way. Real estate isn't a trend. It's been around since the beginning of civilization, and it will be here long after it's gone, long after we're gone. People will always buy, sell, inherit, relocate, divorce, face financial challenges. That means real estate opportunity is permanent. So when you step into wholesale real estate, you're not chasing a fad. You're joining one of the oldest and probably most stable wealth building vehicles on earth. Okay. This is something I had to learn the hard way. The mistake is expecting it to pay you like a lottery ticket instead of treating it like a business. I hope that makes sense. So here's what separates the 10%. Here's what separates the 10% who succeed from the 90% who burn out. They understand the architecture, the framework that makes this business predictable. Okay, there are three core processes that carry you through 5 simple stages, 3 by 5. Okay, the processes are marketing, acquisition, and disposition. Marketing brings in data and leads. Acquisition turns those leads into signed contracts. Disposition turns those contracts into cash by assigning them to investor buyers. All right, so excuse me. And those processes move you through 5 stages. Like I said, data, contact, leads, contract, and closed deals. So that's your roadmap. It's very simple. Every wholesaler from beginner to 6 or 7 figures, they're cycling through that same path, the same thing. It might seem boring, but they're cycling that same path. And let's break it down quickly. Data, the first stage, right? Data is where you collect information on potential sellers. You can find it yourself or use the same one-stop shop. The one-stop resource that I use is at myempirepro.com/big data. It's packed with thousands of records, pre-foreclosures, high equity properties, probates, all the good stuff. Okay. Now, next is contract. Next is contact. We have data, we have contact. Reaching out to those homeowners, right? By call, text, mail, or digital marketing. Then you have leads, which is the next stage, the third stage. Once they respond, once you show an interest and motivation, next you lock up the property with the contract, which gives you equitable interest. And finally, you have closed deals. When you assign that contract successfully to a buyer and get paid, that's it. Those are 5 stages and 3 processes, repeatable forever. Just do that over and over and over. But here's where beginners mess up, okay? They expect every stage to produce results instantly. I mean, they don't admit it, but that's their action. They'll pull a list today and think they should close a deal by next Tuesday. When it doesn't happen, then they say this doesn't work, or they act like it doesn't work. So it's not that it doesn't work. It's not that they it's not that they didn't give it. No, it's probably that they didn't give it enough time. Okay, so most people underestimate how much consistency compounds. Are you familiar with the compounding thing in mathematics? No, it's not even mathematics, like simple arithmetic, right? Compounding, when you keep doing something over and over again and it creates bigger and bigger accelerated results. You may not see visible progress in month one, but behind the scenes, you're building momentum, learning the language, refining your approach, collecting data, and that's all, you know, that's all you need to do to set up your future deals that you probably can see right now. Now, the people who last, the people who build 6 and 7 figure wholesaling businesses are the ones who think in years, not weeks, right? They don't think get rich quick. You see, this business is like, it's like sowing or planting seeds. You plant enough of them, data, contacts, follow-ups, and in time, those seeds turn into contracts and of course deals. So, but you have to water them with consistency. Okay, you have to stay the course. And here's the truth that changed everything for me. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the most experienced person to succeed in wholesale real estate. You just have to stay in the game long enough. What is long enough? Like I just said, 1 year, So I've seen people with zero real estate background make 100,000 in their first year. Not because they were perfect, but because they stayed committed through the learning curve, right? And they focused on mastering the process instead of chasing shortcuts. So you're going to be tempted a lot. And let's be honest, you will be tempted a lot. Most people fail because they never go all in. They treat it like a side hustle when it has the potential to become a full-blown business, not even a full-time job. They dabble, they test, they hesitate. Meanwhile, the committed ones are making, they're returning calls. They're generating leads. They're returning calls. They're speaking with motivated sellers from time to time. And if they're not, they're collecting data and sending out offers. Eventually, it compounds out, building systems and growing. So if you're just getting started, congratulations to you. Here's my advice. Okay. Commit to the long game. Give yourself a year to get good and 5 years to get wealthy. Okay. It takes very short time, but in the grand scheme of things, if you don't have the right mindset, it might, like, the next 1 week might feel like forever. So make a decision today that you're going to learn, implement, and adapt until you win. Because real estate isn't going anywhere, I promise you, guaranteed. But your window of opportunity starts the moment you take it seriously. Okay, and you're not always going to be in the state of mind. These opportunities are not always going to present themselves. And if you want help shortcutting the learning curve, you can partner directly with me. And all you have to do is go to my empirepro.com/partners. It's myempirepro.com/partners. You don't have to do it alone. Of course, you can do it alone if you want to. And that's another reason 90% fail: isolation. When you connect with experienced partners, you borrow experience, speed, and of course, confidence. Okay. You understand leverage, right? You understand the leverage in partnership. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. So remember this though. Remember this: slow progress is still progress. Okay. If you plant today, okay, very, very simple formula here. If you plant today and stay consistent, your pipeline will feed you for years to come. You can make your first 10,000, yes. Your first 50,000, yes. Even your first 100,000, all from staying focused on the system: marketing, acquisition, and disposition, working through data, contact, leads, contract, and deals. So don't rush the process. Okay, don't rush the process. Just trust the process. Real estate rewards patience and punishes panic. Okay, in our next segment, I'm going to share the single most important trait that helped me land my first deal and how that same trait will keep building every deal that comes after. Are you excited? All right. Let's keep it moving. And definitely I will be right back. We have more to come.
This is Ola at My Empire Pro, your favorite real estate coach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your empire starts today. I've written 3 game-changing books. Download them free at myempirepro.com/books. I'm also looking for partners, money, time, or anywhere in between. If that's you, visit myempirepro.com/partners. And if you want to try the all-in-one PropStream software for free, go to myempirepro.com/PropStream. Stay tuned. Let's build your $10,000 per month real estate empire.